Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we learnt about this is the second one. If the substituent attached in an electron withdrawing group, then the reduction takes place in such a way that same as it is in the 1 and 4 reduction will be taking place here also 1 and 4, because the saturated carbon, it means substituted carbon, is sp3 hybridized. This is the example. Next is second one is Etard reaction. Okay, oxidation of benzene to toluene to benzaldehyde. Here the oxidation of the aromatic compound bound with methyl group to an aldehyde, it is called Etard reaction. This is the example, oxidation of toluene to benzaldehyde. Here you can write single step reaction. Toluene reacts with chromyl chloride in the presence of CS2, it gives a chromium complex. Then hydrolysis, it gives a benzaldehyde. Second example is oxidation of toluene to benzoic acid. When oxidized with strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4 in the presence of NaOH or KOH, or Na2Cr2O7 in the presence of H2SO4. This gives the potassium salts of carboxylic acid, and then it is hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. This potassium atom is replaced by hydrogen atom. Okay, H3O plus, it gives a benzoic acid. Okay, here KOH is used because it provides an alkaline medium. So in this class we learnt about the another reaction. It means first one is the Birch reduction, and then second one is the Etard reaction, that is oxidation reaction. Next is resonance structure. Okay, resonance structure of of benzene and naphthalene. Here there are three resonance structures are there. It means three resonance structures for three different molecules and anthracene. Okay, what are they? Benzene, naphthalene and anthracene. Okay, here the resonating structure means you already know about that. Delocalization of electrons. Delocalization means movement around the benzene ring. Okay, to give rise to different canonical forms for a molecule. Canonical forms for a molecule which cannot be represented by a single Lewis structure. Okay, here the delocalization of electrons should be taking place. It means this is the benzene ring. You know that it has a 3 pi bond. These 3 pi bonds are delocalized. Okay, like that. Antandre sutta around the inside the benzene ring, and it gives a different canonical forms. Okay, it means different structures, but it has the same molecular formula. Okay, then for a molecule which cannot be represented by a single Lewis structure, it means dot ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿವಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋ ಇನ್ ದ dot structure. Okay, this is all about the resonance structure. First one is resonating structure of benzene. Resonating structure of benzene. Okay, first you have to write the structure of benzene, and in that it has a 3 pi bond. Okay, here this pi bond goes this side and this will come this side and this is here. Okay, so we get here this bond will come here, this will come here, and this will here. This is the one of the structure, and then again you can rotate it. It gets equivalent to this. Here this will comes here, and this bond here, and this will here. So first, second. Okay, this and this will be look like same. So how many resonating structures is present for benzene? 2 resonating structure. More resonating structure is present on the molecule. That molecule is a more stable. Okay, it has 2 resonating structure. Okay, then second one is resonating structure of naphthalene. Okay, resonating structure of naphthalene. Here naphthalene means containing a 2-benzene ring. Okay, this is the structure of naphthalene, and it has a 3 resonating structure, and it is first one. Then ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಅದೇನು ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ resonating structure of molecule. Okay, this is the second resonating structure of naphthalene. Next, third one is here. This is the third resonating structure of naphthalene. Okay, this is first one, second one, and third one. If they ask in your exam, write the resonating structure, you can write. If you want to show the arrow mark, you can show. It will not necessary. Okay, next, last one is resonating structure of anthracene. Okay, here anthracene means containing a 3-benzene ring. Naphthalene containing 2-benzene ring, anthracene containing 3-benzene ring. Okay, here this is the structure of anthracene, and it has a 4 resonating structure. This is first one. And this is the second one. Okay, next this is the third one. Here bond formation ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, you have to write carefully the bond formation. This is third, and last one is very important for 2 marks question. It will be arise. Okay, this is the last resonating structure of anthracene. This is all about the resonating structure of benzene, naphthalene and the anthracene. Very important 2 marks questions. Okay, next reaction is fourth one, Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, Diels-Alder reaction of anthracene. Here the anthracene will be undergo the reactions with malic anhydride. Okay, it means anthracene should be react with malic anhydride. Okay, that is called it as a Diels reaction. Okay, this reaction is an organic chemical reaction. Organic chemical reaction between a conjugated diene and substituted alkene. Okay, it means diene means the anthracene, alkene means malic anhydride. The reaction will be taking place between the diene and a alkene. Diene means containing a pi bond. Okay, and diene means 2 pi bonds should be present in the ring. And then substituted alkene. Here malic anhydride is the alkene, and this is a thermochemical reaction. This is a thermochemical reaction. Okay, presence of electron withdrawing group in dienophile increases the activity. Okay, increases the activity and reaction takes place at lower temperature. Okay, and here anthracene and malic anhydride undergoes Diels-Alder reaction to form adduct. Okay, here you have to see this. It is an organic chemical reaction. Diels-Alder reaction is called as a organic chemical reaction between a conjugated diene. Here anthracene is the diene and substituted alkene. Okay, this is the substituted alkene is there. Then this is a thermochemical reaction. Here the presence of electron withdrawing group in dienophile. It means malic anhydride contains a electron withdrawing group that should be attached in the ring. Okay, that is increases the activity. It means increases the reaction activity, and then the reaction takes place at low temperature. Here the temperature should be low because the electron withdrawing group is present in the malic anhydride. Here oxygen atom is substituted in dienophile. Okay, dienophile, that increases the activity, and then the reaction will be carried out at lower temperature. And here anthracene and malic anhydride undergoes Diels-Alder reaction, okay, to form a adduct. You know that what do you mean by adduct? Adduct means the reaction will be taking place at single step and the product should not be dissociated. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನು ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ you have to write the first structure of anthracene. This is the structure of anthracene. This is the diene. Okay, plus malic anhydride. No, you have to write here like this. Okay, little bit slant, don't write in the straight way. This is the oxygen atom and it has double bond, and it has also double bond. This is the electron withdrawing group. Oxygen is the electron withdrawing group. This is the malic anhydride. This is the dienophile. Okay, this dienophile increases the activity. Okay, when it will react, when it gets heat, we get a adduct. Okay, adduct means ಒಂದರಲ್ಲೇ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 2 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು it should form only in the single product. Okay, this is, then this will be the this atom and this atom. You have to write carefully first and fourth. Okay, then this will form like this. This is double bond O, double bond O. Here malic anhydride is attached in the anthracene. Okay, this is called it as a adduct. Okay, this is the Diels-Alder reaction. This Diels-Alder reaction is, this is the thermochemical reaction, presence of electron withdrawing group in dienophile. Here oxygen has an electron withdrawing group that increases the activity and reaction takes place at lower temperature. This reaction takes place at lower temperature, and then anthracene and malic anhydride, these two are undergo Diels-Alder reaction and to form an adduct. Okay, this is all about the Diels-Alder reaction. This is the resonating structure of benzene, naphthalene and the anthracene. In that, delocalization of electrons should be taking place. Here the movement of electrons around the benzene ring. Okay, around means inside the benzene ring. This pi bond should be movable. Okay, not the sigma bond. This pi bond is movable. Okay, so then it gives a different canonical form. And then resonating structure of benzene is, this is the first resonating structure, and this bond is goes here. This is the second. There are two resonating structure is formed. And then resonating structure of naphthalene, this is the first resonating structure. Okay, this is the second, this is the third. You can write these three. Okay, you should not write the arrow mark. Okay, then this is the resonating structure of anthracene. 4 resonating structure is possible in the anthracene. Naphthalene has a 2 benzene ring, anthracene has a 3 benzene ring. This has the one reaction is there, that is Diels-Alder reaction of anthracene with malic anhydride. It is conjugated reaction between conjugated diene and a substituted alkene. Here the presence of electron withdrawing group in dienophile. This is the dienophile. It has an electron withdrawing group that increases the activity. Okay, this will increases the activity and reaction takes place at lower temperature. Okay, then anthracene and malic anhydride undergoes Diels-Alder reaction to form an adduct. Adduct means it forms in the single step product. Okay, not in the dissociation product. This is the reaction.